beautiful Memorial Day weekend in Minnesota. And Ed and I are going to fly today. Where are we going?
Iowa.
Iowa! Why are we going to Iowa? We got invited to a wedding by some of our airplane friends. So we're going to go say hi. Kind of a crazy weekend. Dash and EJ, family camp and grandmas and mommy and daddy are taking the wedding flight to Iowa. So it is a beautiful day. It's a perfect day for a flight. And we're gonna spend some mommy and daddy time in there. See you up in the sky. Hi, hello from 7,500 feet.
Currently doing 168 knots. A little bit of a headwind, and we are over Rochester, Minnesota.
Woohoo! It is my first time in the airplane in like 10 months.
Far, far too long.
I know. And we are sans kiddos.
No kiddos.
No. It is Memorial Weekend, and we are on a date flight to a wedding in Iowa. We are headed down there. EJ's at family camp. Grandma's got Dash. We're going to spend the night in Iowa City.
Right. And we are going to the wedding of our friends Mike and Sarah.
Whoop whoop!
Fellow RV-10 builders from Iowa.
Yes.
They are getting hitched.
They are getting hitched. They're a cute couple. What was that? Ow!
Watch yourself. Oh, it was the knob from that. I didn't have it screwed in.
Oh, okay.
Airplane's falling apart.
So let's talk about these Bose
You can do it.
A80?
Nope.
A380. A2.
No, that's an airplane.
I'm pretty good.
Here's a hint.
Oh, A20.
There you go.
A20.
Bose A20s.
So before, a lot of people asked us about our headsets. They were Halos.
Yep.
And we really like the Halos, but sometimes, like, I don't know, you just don't feel like putting stuff in your ear.
Yeah, it's especially if you have other people getting in and out of the plane. You don't want to stick other. You don't want to take. Yeah. If you were the only person using the headset every time, I think they're still the best headset. But when you're swapping out, getting in and out of the plane, these are pretty awesome. Very comfortable. Noise canceling is very good.
Yeah, I originally had them on. They were great, but I couldn't, like, it kept rubbing on my neck thing.
Your neck thing?
What do you call this thing?
Your neck?
Your neck strap.
Oh, shoulder strap.
Shoulder strap. Your shoulder strap. And then I realized I had them on backwards. Maybe if my neck was taller, then it wouldn't rub on my neck.
Well, the other thing is you have them on backwards. Try that.
I don't want to take them off inside here.
Take them off. It's not that loud. It's not like blow your ears out. Just don't be a wuss. Nope. How's that feel?
That's a lot better. But no, I had them on backwards, and then when you put them on the right way, it's amazing how comfortable they are.
You know, I think the QT Halos are quieter, especially when you have sunglasses and a hat. The hat kind of breaks the seal a little bit.
Oh, really?
So like when I push the headset on more, it seals way better, like the noise canceling.
Oh,
Night
yeah.
and day different. So, you feel that?
Yeah.
There. That's actually much, much better. So anyways, we're flying to Iowa for our friends Mike and Sarah's wedding.
Sarah,
Fellow RV10 builders from Iowa.
RV10 builders from Iowa.
We are going, it's just a day trip, not a day trip.
No.
We're going overnight.
Date night.
Ooh.
Hotel room.
So we're flying down, it's about 1:30. We got the wedding at 4:30. Gonna enjoy the reception, enjoy a good night's sleep in a hotel room, and then first thing in the morning we're gonna bust ass back up to Minnesota, get the truck, pick up the Dasher-Do, and then we drive up to St. Cloud.
Past St. Cloud to Sox Center
Past St. Cloud
area.
to family camp where Grandpa and EJ already are, and then we will close out Memorial Weekend
with our family at family camp.
Friday night at home, Saturday night Iowa, Sunday night north of St. Cloud, Monday back home.
Back home is south of the south of St. Paul.
Yep, it's a bit of a whirlwind weekend.
Woohoo!
It's fun. It's
I
good.
am so looking forward to this.
Yeah, me too.
We haven't seen Mike and Sarah since Oshkosh.
Yeah.
Trivia.
Iowa trivia.
You know what? I feel like this is a learning opportunity for all of us to learn more about Iowa. Yep. You know? Okay. Question numero uno. What is the official Iowa state bird? I'm going to give you 4 choices. The raven, the eastern goldfinch, the eagle, or the chicken hawk.
Eastern goldfinch.
Is he right? Uh-oh, now I can't find it.
Trivia fail. You can't give us trivia yet. We're still...
How did you know that? Oh.
2 minutes from the Iowa border.
So am I supposed to give you Minnesota trivia?
Yeah. We're over Minnesota. But I got the bird, didn't I?
You did. Oh, he's so good at trivia.
Yeah.
I would never have known that. It is the eastern goldfinch. What percentage of Iowa's corn production is consumed for the purpose of ethanol production? 1/3, 1/4, 1/2, or 3/4?
1/3.
If you're right. How did you know that? It's 1/3. 2 for 2.
What's my prize?
I have nothing to give you but myself.
I'll take it.
Okay. Iowa was the birthplace of which U.S. president? Grover Cleveland, Dwight Eisenhower, Herbert Hoover, or Richard Nixon?
Oh, that's a good one. Grover Cleveland. Damn.
Herbert Hoover.
My second guess.
2 out of 3. What is the official state flower of Iowa? 4 choices: peony, carnation, tulip, or the wild rose?
Wild rose.
How did you know that? That's right. 4 out of 5?
3 out of 4.
Oh, 3 out of 4.
And we're in Iowa.
Yay, Iowa! I'm learning so much about Iowa.
Alrighty. Well, we'll check in as we get closer to Iowa City.
Bye.
Bye. Kind of an arrival check. Everything's good, 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 good. Seatbelts on, everyone's happy. We're going to go over to fullest fuel tank.
Animal traffic, 9577 Tango Whiskey is 10 miles. Or no, 2 miles.
And we're going to be out of their airspace in 1 minute. So I'm going to start We're going to go 1700 vertical speed. You know what? I'm going to hand fly. As I can.
Animal traffic, 957.
How you doing, hon?
I'm great.
Not too shabby, huh?
Yeah. That was a nice big hole.
It was. I could say something incredibly dirty. I'll let you make your own joke. I mean, we're descending at 2,000 feet per minute here, so we're going up fast. So your ears are probably going to pop. I wouldn't do this with the kids.
Yeah.
They don't know how to equalize their ears. Iowa City traffic, experimental 29er, Echo Charlie left down 125, Iowa City. Iowa City traffic, experimental 9er, Echo Charlie left base 25. Iowa City traffic, experimental 9er, Echo Charlie final 25 stop.
Very nice.
Thank you. All right, we're here.
Okay, so we just got to the hotel and I was telling Ed how hungry I was. So Mike and Sarah, thank you so much. This is just, I haven't had Cheetos in so long. Yum. Can't wait. Only a few hours. We are at the Unitarian Universalist Society. This is the coolest church ever. They have charge parking spots. And it's a beautiful church. And you go over here, and here are these solar panels in front of the church. It's the coolest thing. Awesome. At the church.
Automated weather observation 1423 Zulu. Wind variable at 03. Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 3,800. Temperature 18 Celsius. Dew point 14 Celsius. Altimeter 3010.
All right. There's basically no wind. There is a ceiling a little over 3,000 feet above the airport. That's fine. I can see blue sky to the north.
Okay.
So we'll just take off, fly around the class Charlie of Eastern Iowa Airport. I think it's Cedar Rapids up there. And then we'll head on home. Climb up, probably 8,500 or so. Cool. Cool. Iowa City traffic, experimental 29er, Echo Charlie taking off runway 25, departing to the north, Iowa City.
about halfway home, the day after Michael and Sarah's wedding. It was a beautiful wedding. We're so happy to be invited and happy to be there. It's really fun. Super fun.
Very nice. It was a wonderful, wonderful ceremony, reception. At a beautiful location. It was just, everything was
cool building,
fantastic.
Awesome venue, cool people.
Great people.
Go Mike and Sarah.
Yeah.
Oh, and we also got to sit next to our new friends, Lindsay and Derek.
Yeah. Derek has a tail kit for an RV10.
Oh yeah.
And he's been helping Mike with his RV10 too.
Cool.
So yeah, we had a great
people.
time hanging out with them and lots of laughs.
Yeah.
Good conversation.
Ed said that his mouth hurt this morning from laughing so much,
Yeah.
and smiling so much.
Yeah.
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
You had fun.
So far, weekend is a little over half over, and it's been fantastic so far.
Oh, the flying has been perfect. Yesterday and today, it was beautiful.
Yeah, we're nice and smooth here, 8,500. We got 10 knots of headwind, but you know, that's pretty much the standard. I always get 10 knots of headwind, if not more. I never see tailwinds.
And also, Ed did a really great Sirius ADS-B comparison.
Yeah, SiriusXM
Sirius
weather.
XM weather, ADS-B.
weather.
So we'll do a separate video of that, so you can check that out. Kind of interesting.
Yeah, it's cool what you can get. What the G3X Touch allows you to have just easy access to in the plane.
Well, thanks for tuning in.
Yeah, we hope we're kind of we're getting out of the baby stage, and we're hoping that we're going to start traveling much more, get more of these videos out, take more trips, so we can make more videos for everyone.
We very much enjoy making videos.
Yeah.
But, you know, I talk with a lot of airplane friends that maybe sometimes get discouraged. Either they're building and it takes them a while, or they don't fly, and, you know, life happens. And
yeah,
that's cool, and it happened to us.
Yep, it just so happened to us after we had the plane, then we basically, you know.
So we had it all done.
So we had the plane done, and then we just really didn't have a chance to use it. So
yeah.
it's kind of the opposite situation that a lot of builders seem to find. But
cool. And then friendly reminder: if there are any videos that you'd be interested in, or a topic that you're interested in, let us know, and we'll put it on our short list.
Yeah, for sure. So once again, congratulations, Mike and Sarah. Thank
Whoop,
you so much for
whoop.
inviting us. We had just an amazing time. And we will see you guys at Oshkosh. Derek and Lindsay, you guys better make it to Oshkosh too.
Yes, we'd love to see you.
Yeah.
Cool. See you
next time.